Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will guide you how to appeal hold on your ad account. Your ad account is getting the error we weren't able to place a temporary hold on your payment method. This may be due to issues with your payment provider or insufficient funds on your card. To place a hold, you can add prepaid funds to your account or try again, even though there is still money in the account and you have tried changing to another payment method, but it still doesn't fix it. That's also why Master the Meta made this video. Let's solve this problem together. Please go to the comments or description to access the link to the extension. Next, download the extension. Next, go to your browser's extension manager. Once in the extension manager, enable developer mode. Next, open the file you just downloaded. Right-click on the extension and select Winrar, then select Extract here. Wait a moment, a utility file and a file containing the text I have prepared for you will appear. Add extension to browser as in video. Now open the extension. You can see the extension is linked to Facebook Appeals category. Step 1. Enter your FB Ads account ID in the first box. Next, enter your FB ID or link in the second box. In step 3, enter your business portfolio ID. If the account does not belong to BM, enter ad account belongs to individual. Note, if the account belongs to BM, you must be an administrator of BM. In step 4, paste the text I have prepared for you. No, edit according to your information. Finally, please attach a screenshot of your account status and payment activity of the card reporting the error. Note that card payment activities that report errors must be paid successfully. Click Send. Now, wait for about 2 to 3 hours and then go back to your ad account and you will see that the account is back to normal. Note, if it fails, please try again after 1 hour. The process will be successful. During this process, please do not use other extensions to avoid conflicts. You can see my account is back to normal, and I can now continue running ads on this account. Master the Meta's video tutorial on how to appeal hold on your ad account.